Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Ann Epiphany. I'm currently converting a 32-foot GMC Bluebird into a mobile tattoo studio and then tiny home in the rear. Today I'm going to be starting doing the ceiling in the bathroom, which also includes installing some puck lights.
Yeah, that's a flat tire.
These are the guys right here. The black's positive and the white is negative. Here are my ceiling tiles that I'm going to be using. These female ends. The male ends here. I'll be using the blue ones in here, which are the 1814. I cut it so this is a nice snug fit. We're here popping in a little bit. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. I don't think I'm gonna have to use any adhesive. Knocking everything off. We got the female ends and the extensions and everything. Put on all of these. So now it's time to go ahead and install the lights in the centerpiece and put up the ceiling panels. This ratcheting crimper, and I'm going to try this to see if it makes it easier, because I still have, even though the wiring is technically done in the bathroom, I still have the entire front to do, which is at least 8 lights. So that's still a lot of crimping, and I was like, it'll be worth it to buy something that hopefully makes it easier. What a day. Nothing went smoothly, obviously, as you saw. So, even with the new Loctite stuff, it still wasn't wanting to stick. When I looked at it, this is a different company that I ordered these panels from compared to the last ones. The last ones are top quality. I didn't have as much money this time, so I went with a cheaper brand. And what I noticed is when they made the molds, the edges weren't flat and even. Some of them were bowed a little bit. And so that's the issue. Because of that, as you saw, I had to get a little creative. So I used the Loctite, and then over top of that, I put some of that aluminum tape to hold it up there. And I'm just going to let that dry, and then I'm going to come up with some kind of creative idea of what to do in the middle to cover up all that aluminum tape and everything. Because I know if I go to take that off, just because they're warped and stuff, it's just gonna... they're just gonna come off again. Because they're not even. So, those three are all I'm doing tonight, because the sun's already starting to go down. It should not... like, in the amount of time that it took me to do those 3 panels, I, like, did the entire back of the bus, it seems like. Anyway, I'm going to call it tonight because the bus is a disaster zone right now. Because I had to take all the storage stuff out of the shower and stuff, it's just laying in the front. Plus, I already had stuff stored in the front. So there's, like, this much room to, like, walk through right now. And I've got to clean all that up before I can let the girls back in. Because there's too much for them to get into right now. I've probably got about 45 minutes before the sun's completely down. So I'm going to get to cleaning this bus up. And I will see you in the morning when I will tackle finishing the bathroom. Hopefully it goes smoother. I'll see you then. Welcome back. It's the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and we're having a better day today. I know what I gotta do now. It's fine. And then I'm gonna figure out some creative way of like covering up the aluminum that I have on here. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. But yeah, let's start putting up the rest of the pieces on the sides of all this. Hello, I've shaved my head and it feels great because it is hot outside. So unfortunately we have to end the video with the aluminum tape on the ceiling tiles because I did come up with a plan, do have a plan, but it won't be delivered until like another week or two, so unfortunately that has to wait. If I'm going to be honest, I've had a rough couple weeks. Life. I don't know, some things. But that being said, I would like to say thank you to all my patrons. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put their names up here. And if you would like to become a Patreon, I do have exclusive merch that's only available through Patreon for the $10 and up tier. I will put a link down below if you'd like to join that. I do have lower tiers. Those are just the ones for the exclusive merch. Plus, if I get a few more patrons on there, I want to start doing lives and stuff possibly. So I haven't decided yet if I might do both. I might do lives there and on YouTube. I'm not sure. I haven't got there yet. But we'll figure it out. But yeah, there's a link down below for the Patreon where you do get behind the scenes stuff that I don't put on YouTube or don't post. So there is that also. I do have a website that has t-shirts, hoodies. I'm probably going to be putting mugs on there soon. Just a bunch of stuff. If you are in the need of any clothing that is unique, you can go to their website. I'll put the link down below in the description as well. And if not, you can also like, comment, subscribe. I would appreciate that. Any way that you want to support me, I want to thank you. And with that being said, I'll see you on Sunday. Have a great week.